Okay. Good morning, everyone. For the camera. When I say that the muscle, when I say that the muscle is a visceral muscle, I have classified the muscle on the basis of its. Hello. Position. And when we say that we have classified the muscle as a smooth muscle, then we have classified it with respect to when I say it is visceral muscle, it is with respect to its location. When I say it is smooth muscle, it is with respect to its appearance. Hello? What is the membrane of the muscle called? What is the cytoplasm inside called? Better. So I am talking about which muscle also? Visceral muscles. Visceral muscles are also called as smooth muscles. Okay? So they are called as visceral muscles with respect to their location. And they will be called as what was it? Smooth muscles with respect to how they appear. Okay? Even the visceral muscles will be made up of cells that will be called as the muscle fiber. And the muscle fiber of the visceral muscle looks like this under the microscope. Okay? So last bench. Okay? So this is a muscle fiber of a smooth muscle. Compare in your mind with the muscle fiber of a skeletal muscle and tell me what is the difference that you see in their shape. Right? Yes, madam, extreme corner. And here they are. What do you call the shape? Are they cylindrical? Are they tapering at both the ends? Yes. Good. Sit. Good. So can I say this is one difference? Here the muscle fiber is elongated with over the ends tapering ends. So I'll say that it is dash shape. It is spindle shape. Okay? And one more difference do you see with your nuclei. So I'll say that it is, how is it? It is uninucleated, showing the presence of a single nucleus. Same. The membrane outside will be called as the sarcolemma. The cytoplasm will be called as the sarcoplasm. Now the next question is, does the sarcoplasm show the presence of myofibrils? If myofibrils are not there, it will not undergo contraction and relaxation. So myofibrils will be present. Alright? Don't go with Atharva's confidence. Okay? Myofibril hoga, but they will not be parallelly arranged. As a result of which the light band and the dark bands will not overlap and you will not get a striated appearance. नाही समजलं काय बोलत होते सर्व वरतून गेलं ना तुमच्या बघा हे कोण आहे मायोफाइल लाईट बँड डार्क बँड लाईट बँड डार्क बँड लाईट बँड डार्क बँड असे बरेचसे मायोफायब्रिल्स, लाईट बँड, डार्क बँड, लाईट बँड, डार्क बँड असे बरेचसे मायोफायब्रिल्स, लाईट बँड, डार्क बँड, लाईट बँड, डार्क बँड, लाईट बँड, डार्क बँड. How are they arranged, Muchlo? Parallelly arranged. As a result of it, the muscle itself will appear what? Striate. आता लक्षात का ते striate असतं? Because each myofibril shows the presence of a light band and all the myofibrils are arranged parallelly. So when they are all together, like many zebras standing in one line, you will see the presence of strips, black, white, black, white, black, white. So the entire muscle with its muscle fibers will show the presence of light bands and dark bands and a striated appearance. But in the muscle fiber of a visceral muscle, you have myofibrils which are present. Are they parallelly arranged or scattered here and there? So will they give a striated appearance or a non-striated appearance? So are myofibrils present? Give me yes or no? Yes. Are the myofibrils present? Yes. But is there arrangement in a parallel manner or are they scattered in the cytoplasm? As a result of which it will not give you a striated appearance. अलग लक्षात समझना? Did you all follow what I said? Yes. Pakka? Now these muscles, that is the visceral muscles, will undergo slow, prolonged, involuntary contractions. Their contractions are involuntary. How are the contractions which low? Involuntary. मतलब इस मसल का कॉन्ट्रैक्शन आप अपने इच्छा अनुसार कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए हम लोगों ने क्या कहा उसको इनवॉलंटरी कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. आया समझ में? एंड हाउ आर द कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस? दे आर स्लो एंड काफी देर तक दे कैन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फॉर लॉन्ग. गॉट माय पॉइंट? So you will find that our food pipe, the stomach, the small intestine and the large intestine, they are all made up of what, which you know? These visceral muscles. So what is one location where the visceral muscle is present? The alimentary canal. Okay? ये आपकी आँख है और आँखों के अंदर आपके पास है आइरिस और इस आइरिस के सेंटर में एक होल है जिसको बोलते हैं प्यूपिल. उसको कंट्रोल करने के लिए आइरिस के क्या होते हैं? मसल्स होते हैं जिसको मैंने ब्लू और रेड में दिखाया, ब्लू और ब्लैक में दिखाया. तो ये जो आइरिस की क्या है? मसल्स है. ये भी कौन से मसल्स है बच्चों? विसरल मसल्स. ओके, these black lines and the blue circles, they control the size of your pupil depending upon the amount of light that is entering into your eyes. If it is bright light, the pupil will become small. If it is dim light, the pupil ka size will increase. Can you control that or does it occur involuntarily? Under the influence of your medulla oblongata. That is why you must have seen in your net series, if there is a drug addict who and the doctor is not able to find his heartbeat, or a person was met with an accident and you don't know whether his brain is damaged or not, the doctor will always check pupillary dilation. तो टॉर्च लेके आंखों पे मारता है डॉक्टर. हाँ, अगर उसका मेडुला ऑब्लोंगेटा है, अभी भी कर रहा है काम, ब्रेन इंजरी नहीं है, जिंदा है इंसान, तो क्या होगा बच्चों लोग? आप लाइट मार दो, उसका प्यूपिल क्या होगा? डायलेट और कॉन्स्ट्रिक्ट होगा. हम भी स्कूल में बचपन में खेलते थे ना, मिरर के सामने लाइट कभी मारा आंखों के ऊपर तो आपको क्लियर भी दिखाई देगा प्यूपिल का साइज क्या होता है? बड़ा और छोटा होता है. तो किसकी मदद से बड़ा और छोटा होता है बच्चों लोग? ये विसरल मसल्स का काम है जो किसके हैं? आइरिस के. चलो मैंने दो बताया ना, दो बताया था मैंने. तो आप लोग भी दो बताओ, मैं दो तुम दो, चल फिर टुस। ग्लैंड्स तो 100 ग्लैंड्स है बॉडी में, तो क्या बोलना था मैं? ग्लैंड में कम मसल आ गया था। तो क्या बोलते थे प्रैक्टिस ना? How hard? Come on guys, yaar, we're such an intelligent generation. Can't give you simple answers. ब्रेन में मसल ही नहीं होता तो? ब्रेन में मसल होता है? ना। Brain does not have any muscle. Have you heard of uterus बच्चों? Uterus सुना uterus? क्या सुना uterus बच्चों? It's a mother's womb ना, जहाँ पे हम लोग सब डेवलप हुए थे. The wall of the uterus. The wall of the uterus. This wall of the uterus is made up of which muscles? Visceral muscles. That is the smooth muscles. Got it? Yes or no? Oh. One more. Chill. Last. I'll not bore you a lot. Chill. हाँ. पल्मोनरी मसल क्या होता है मुझे नहीं मालूम. लंग्स में मसल होता है. ब्रेन, लंग्स, किडनी, ये मस्कुलर टिश्यूज. वाओ, इसोफेगस, इथाइग्रेन. Blood vessels, arteries, veins, they also show the presence of which muscles? Smooth muscles. So if you cut an artery, you know who is the biggest artery of the body? Aorta. Systemic aorta. And it will branch to form many different arteries. So if I cut an artery, it will show the presence of different layers. 1, 3, and 2 I have missed it. And this 2 is which muscle, Bachalo? It's a which muscle? Smooth muscle. That is why chemicals, hormones can act on this layer and they can increase its size or decrease it. Okay? So these are some of the locations where you find which muscles which are the visceral muscles. How are the contractions? Are they rapid? Does it have to go fast contraction? No. It has to go slow. Haru. जास्त वेळासाठी धीरे धीरे ज्यादा टाइम तक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बिना थके visceral muscles. Did you get it, everybody? Then we have the third type. That is which muscle, which are? Cardiac muscle. Okay. So you don't have to be a rocket scientist to tell me that the cardiac muscle is located in the, say, the wall of the heart. Where is the cardiac muscle located? It is located in the wall of the human heart. Okay? So, if I look at the heart, your heart has got three layers to it. The heart wall has how many layers, Ucho? Three layers to it. And I'm showing it with three different colors. Outermost one is black, middle one is red, and the innermost one is blue. I am interested in the middle one. Which one? Middle. Which color I have shown the middle one with? Red. And it is called myocardium. What do you call it? Myo. Muscle. Cardia. Heart. Muscles of the heart. Myocardium. So you have these three layers. 1, 2, and 3. All three together is called as the heart wall. And this space which is filled with blood is called as the lumen. So when the muscles will undergo contraction from the lumen, the blood will be thrown out. Okay? Second last bench. The girl with specs. What's your name? Huh? Yeah, Sanjita, tell me, where is the cardiac muscle present? How many layers are there in the wall of the heart? What is the space within the wall called? Micromia. किसके मिया? माइक्रोमिया. ध्यान नहीं दिया था लास्ट क्लास में. बैठो. माइक्रोमिया आपने सुना है मिया के बारे में? What is the space within the heart called? Lumen. It is filled with blood. ना हमने कोई माइक्रो कहा ना मिया कहा. हमने कहा तो मायोकार्डियम कहा था. क्या करें? Okay. So what I did was, I removed a part of the myocardium and I'm observing it under the microscope. Okay, kids? Now, I'm circling one muscle fiber. You got it? So what should I say? Is it elongated and tapering, or is it a cylindrical cell? Cylindrical cell. So the muscle fiber is cylindrical in the case of a cardiac muscle. How is the muscle fiber? Cylindrical in the case of a cardiac cell. Shall I continue, Bachalo? Okay. Second, it shows multinuclear or uninuclear condition. कैसा? एक cell will be uninucleated. You got it? And it shows the presence of very faint striations. Faint मतलब हल्का हल्का. Faint क्या है? Striations. Then it has abundant, that is a lot of, what Bachalo? Mitochondria. But see one thing, Bachalo, that all the cardiac cells, all the muscle fibers of the cardiac cells, you see that interconnected with each other with the help of zigzag lines. You see the zigzag lines, everybody? These are called as the intercalary disc. क्या उसको? Intercalary disc. Intercalated disc. What is the function of this intercalated disc? It helps in rapid communication between the cardiac cells. So if an impulse, if a signal has to pass through the cells, it will be rapidly passing from one cell to another cell because this intercalated disc show the presence of junctions. And any idea? Will there be tight junctions or gap junctions? Yes, it shows the presence of what? Gap junctions. So if there are two cardiac cells, 1 and 2, there will be a rapid communication between the cells. Okay? It's like हम लोग जब बचपन में सांपली खेलते थे ना, गेम था, तब सब लोग यूज्ड टू कैच ईच अदर. हाँ, अगर एक को खींच तो क्या होता था? सब मेरी तरफ आया ना. और अगर वो लोग खींचे तो मैं ही जाता, मैं सबसे हट्टा कट्टा मैं ही था. वो लोग ही बार बार मेरे तरफ आए. लेकिन हम लोग सब कैसे जॉइंट थे एक दूसरे से? हाँ, so there were our gap junctions. So it helps in rapid communication between the cardiac cells. Got my point? So if a cardiac cell or a few cardiac cells undergo contraction, the entire muscle will undergo what? Bachalo? Contraction. In the cardiac tissue, we call it as the all or none principle. All or none principle. मतलब वो एरिया के सारे cardiac cells या तो सब साथ में contract हुए या कोई भी नहीं होगा. समझा मेरी बात? And if you see, this is one muscle fiber, one cardiac cell, another, third, second, third, fourth, fifth, and this form one row, and this is another row, and the two rows are interconnected to each other by the intercellular bridges. What is connected by Bachawati? Intercellular bridges. Did you get my point?
Yes.
So what connects the cardiac cells together? Intercellular bridges. ठीक है? Did you all follow my point?
Yes.
Look at another beauty of the cardiac tissue, cardiac muscles. It's a myogenic heart. How is the human heart, Bacho?
Myogenic heart.
Myogenic heart. What do you mean by myogenic? अरे वाह, very good. How do you know that? अच्छा, I told you foundation. That's why I forgot. well, every time I must have done this again. So you don't know the human heart is myogenic. It can generate its own impulses. तभी शायद मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था कि अगर ह्यूमन हार्ट है तो उसके पास एक टिश्यू है जिसको बोलते हैं साइनो एट्रियल नोड और इट इज कॉल्ड एज द स्पेस मेकर और वो इंपल्सेस जनरेट करके पूरा स्प्रेड करता है. Got my point? And your heart pumps liters and liters of blood in a day. I don't know whether I have told you this or not. That this is the human heart with its muscles pumping liters and liters of blood in a day. But the blood that the heart is pumping, can it use for itself? The answer is no. The example of the heart is like a bank cashier who counts lakhs of rupees in a day. But can he take that money home? No. How much money can he take home? जो उसका सैलरी होता है. तो वैसे ही आपके हार्ट को सैलरी देने वाला जो कैपिलरीज है, बताया था कभी आप लोग को? इन कैपिलरीज को क्या बोलते हैं? कोरोनरी वेसल्स. क्या उसको कोरोनरी वेसल्स. जो फाउंडेशन में नहीं बैठे थे कुछ लोग, ये आपका कोरोनरी वेसल है और ये किसको सप्लाई कर रहा है कुछ लोग? हार्ट. अगर इसी में ब्लॉकेज आ गया तो यू कैन सफर फ्रॉम अ हार्ट अटैक. ऐसा समझ में? So your heart has two specialities. One is it shows the presence of a pacemaker, and the second speciality is that the heart has a separate blood supply for itself, which is called as the coronary circulation. The contractions of the heart are rapid, strong contractions, but they are involuntary. देखो अब इसके अंदर दोनों का प्रॉपर्टीज है. Like a skeletal muscle, याद है ना skeletal muscle? It undergoes rapid and strong contractions, and like a smooth muscle, it is involuntary. Combination of characters समझ में आ गया? Yes or no?
Yes.
Did you get it, everybody?
Yes.
पक्का? Okay, that was about which tissue? Cardiac tissue. हाँ, इसको बंद करो इसको. ये देखो
पॉज के बाद
Pause.